Think about your high school experience. Isn't the most important part that one teacher that made a difference? That one teacher that you got to know a little bit better? At most universities, if you're lucky, that happens by senior year, only to prep you for graduate school. Here, we believe that relationships are the most important thing you can form immediately, right when you get to campus. That happens your freshman year. When I'm in the classroom and a student is missing, we feel the loss of the student. If you come to this university, you'll matter to our identity. You'll matter to who we are, to how we think about ourselves, to how we move forward. My name is Dr. James Lambert, Provost at Southern Virginia University. Liberal arts is a set of tools that you can use to become a free thinker and a good learner. Our majors are multi-use instead of single-use, that teach you skills over fields. We are interested in you going to graduate school and becoming a specialist, but we're also interested in you becoming a whole person. Our motto is by study and by faith. The gospel of Jesus Christ is placed at the center of our education and of the student experience. In that way, you can balance those two aspects of learning to become the whole person that you need to be to have a successful life. When students walk across the front of our university in their robes and get their diplomas, they most often think that was a transformational experience. I'm now going to use that for the rest of my life. To walk away with a degree is to say, I am ready for the world. I can do anything, and I've got the education to back me up. I'm looking forward to seeing you at Southern Virginia University. We're a family here, and we want you to be a part of it.